diversity of our city and of our community. I represent Council District 8, Evergreen, which is a very diverse community. Vietnamese, Filipino, Sikh community, Hindu community, many different Chinese community. I won't be able to name all of them. Laotian community. We have so many different communities represented for the Asian community. And back in 2007, I was so excited about creating an opportunity for us to come together that I launched, along with the help from the community, the EPIC Festival, Earth, People, and International Culture. And I invite all of you all to come to EPIC next year because we're trying to bring together all
and on behalf of the Augustine Community Asian American Heritage Festival, we have a token of appreciation. It's a mug for you. So thank you. Most of our people is just a big instruction. She has to have another event to go, so we're going to start the program.
Xin chào quý vị. Ni hao ma, sawadika, namaste. Hello everyone. It's really an honor to be here. My name is Oz Caldwell, a council member for the city of San Jose, representing South San Jose. And one of the reasons why I really love San Jose is because it is the most diverse big city in the nation. Like many of you, my family came here looking for opportunity as immigrants. And we have found so many great immigrant cultures that have made this place that we live in one of the greatest places we live in the world. And what you see and will be seeing today with all the dance performances and the culture is an example of what we have. For now, enjoy this wonderful celebration. Enjoy our cultures coming together in such a beautiful way, and enjoy the rest of Asian American Heritage Month. Thank you.
Token appreciation to council member Ashkara and other council member that contributed financially into this Asian American Heritage Festival International. And good luck your event. We will come down.
I would like to apologize to Mayor Jose Estes. I would like to also invite you on stage for us too. Please, I apologize. And next week.
Kính chào quý vị, Ni hô, đại家好, 大家好, 我是 Hanson Xu. I'm a San Jose City Council member representing the various area. As an immigrant from Taiwan, I'm the first Taiwanese, a Chinese American that ever got elected to the distinguished body, serving you as a San Jose City Council member. And it's really a great honor and pleasure to be with all of you, with my wife Daisy. Please stand up very much. You know, we enjoy living in San Jose. I think our greatest strength is that I've been able to provide my service to a great constituent, to the people in the state of California. Thank you very much for having me here, enjoying your day in this activity. I also want to thank Marley, my endorsed candidate for City Council District 7, and the Asian American Federation, and all the sponsors here to make this event possible. Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, Council Member Hanson Xu, and I know you also run for a status of DC. I wish you a lot of luck, and thank you. This is a token appreciation for you. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Johnny Camus. I am the newest city council member in the city of San Jose. I represent the 10th district, which is Almaden, the Blossom Hill area, Oak Ridge Mall. And I too am an Asian American, believe it or not. I actually come all the way from the west side of Asia. I was born in Beirut, Lebanon, and I too am the first Arab American to be elected in the city of San Jose. I'm very proud of the Asian community for all their accomplishments, and I hope that one day we can see one of the Arab American flags here, and I hope to unite the community with you, because I love the work that you do, displaying the culture, getting to understand each other, and building the community together.
police Escobar. I know that they give him a really big job to be here with us, but they couldn't be here. So we want to invite, I'm really glad and honored to have Deputy Chief Pham Ngo. Now it's your turn.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for having me here today. My name is Pham Ngo, and I'm the Deputy Chief of the San Jose Police Department. You know, when I first came here 39 years ago as a kid, it was rare to see Asian Americans here in the Bay Area. And 39 years later, to look around this room and just see everyone here makes me really proud to be a San Jose police officer. And I feel not only proud of the fact that I'm a San Jose police officer, but I feel very fortunate to be able to work in such a diverse community, to see all the colors here and all the different cultures here is what makes us, a very diverse community, and I feel very, very fortunate.
Time, we can get to Mayor Jose Estevez.
Martinez.
Yes.
Soy la Jose Estevez, Titian Dr. Martinez. It's a big privilege to be here to celebrate with all of us the Asian Heritage Festival. And thanks for being here, because it means to say we appreciate our culture, we appreciate our history and origin. But for me, the more important part is we are united to do great things for our community. As always, I encourage everybody to be contributors and be responsible citizens wherever you are. So congratulations and thanks to all of you. Thanks to Banlay.
My name is Lan Lan Tru, and I'm one of the staff from Supervisor Cindy Chavez's office, District 2 of Santa Clara County. It's my honor to be here to celebrate the 21st Asian American Heritage Festival among all of you. It is our deepest honor, and I want to thank Mr. John C. Would like to invite you to the stage. Thank you, and Ms. Manlay for organizing this wonderful festival. As we look around, we have seen so many community leaders and wonderful performers that participate in this program. We really wish you every success, and that next year we promise that this auditorium, this gym will be filled with members of various Asian American communities. Although Supervisor Cindy Chavez cannot be here due to a very busy schedule, but she also sent a commendation to the organizer. So at this point, I would like to invite Mr. Lee and Ms. Manlay for the commendation. And thank you so very much. Because of the interest of time, I'm not going to read it, but all the messages have been shared today, and I think it's really, really wonderful that we come together to share and to learn our culture, our rich culture and diversity. And with that, I think each other will learn to work together and create a very peaceful and harmonious community for all. Thank you so very much. And if I may say a few words in Vietnamese, I'm sorry, but just like Mr. Pham Ngo, I cannot help it, but I want to say a few words in Vietnamese if you allow me. Kính thưa thượng tọa, kính thưa tất cả quý cô, quý bác, quý anh chị có mặt trong buổi festival ngày hôm nay. Chúng tôi tên là Vân Lan Trương và đại diện cho bà Cảm sắc viên Cindy Chavez. Chúng tôi rất tiếc là bà không thể có mặt ngày hôm nay, nhưng mà chắc chắn là bà lúc nào cũng nghĩ tới cộng đồng Việt Nam, và đặc biệt là thể hiện những lời hứa mà bà đã được quý vị ủng hộ trong kỳ bầu cử vừa qua, và chúng tôi mong rằng luôn được sự ủng hộ của quý vị. Và nếu quý vị có bất cứ một câu hỏi nào, thắc mắc gì hay là có những nhu cầu gì, xin quý vị hãy liên lạc với văn phòng của bà Cindy. Số điện thoại là 108 299.
My name is Manuel Herrera, Board President for the East Side Union High School District, and it is my pleasure, along with fellow member of the board Frank Neal, to be here, and we congratulate the Asian American Heritage Festival. The motto of the United States is, and pluribus unum. And it means from the many, one. And that is the community that we have here. We are many, but we are one. And the Asian American Heritage Festival is one of the bright moments every year in our community. Again, thank you for being here. And we want to honor at this moment a special student, and for the work that he has accomplished, Kevin Fan, congratulations, a scholarship of $250. Oh, let's give him a hand.
Thank you, President Daniel Herrera and Board President Frank Bill. This is a token appreciation for you and Frank. And Kevin, would you like to say a few words? All right, come on.
I'm so honored to have this scholarship. It means a lot to me. Hopefully it'll help me pay off my college tuition fees. Thank you.
Thank you. Hi. Wow. Congresswoman, so long time, a long time. I never think that we can have everyone here at one time. We have got a great picture. So let me encourage you to say a few remarks. I know that Congresswoman Solomon is very busy, but she would want to take a little time to come here and visit us and enjoy and celebrate the Asian American Heritage Festival.
Well, thank you very much. I'm very pleased to be here. I just got in from Washington, D.C. last night, and it's great to be home with normal people here in San Jose. You know, when you think about Asian Americans across the United States, it's about a little under 6% of the population, but here in our community, Asian Americans make up about a third of our population. We are so...
Peter, say a few words to the audience.
Hello， 您好，大家好，我名是郭宗正。今天很高兴能来到这里。Thank you, Congresswoman Lofgren, for being here today. Thank you, Van Lee, for putting this event together. What a great job you did. Let's give her a round of applause. Of course, for Mr. John Shea for organizing this event starting 21 years ago. I appreciate what you do. My name is Peter Kuo. I'm running for state senate North Bay Area and all the way to Fremont, as well as Castro Valley, Santa Clara, and Peters. And thanks to Jose Estes and Hanson Chu, be my supporter. I really am honored to be here today. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I also want to invite Bob Nunes, Vice President of Republican Party, Santa Clara County. Bob also is the former East Side Superintendent. So Bob would like to say a few words, and we will take a picture for everyone.
And being retired simply means that I get to come here less often, but this is still a beautiful site. Here by me, I think it's a perfect site for this event. And for the Santa Clara County Republican Party, as well as the NAACP Lattice Roundtable, we think the unity and diversity is a perfect topic, and you're really demonstrating to all of us what we need to be doing. So congratulations. I hope you have many more. And for Congressman Hunt, who's here, I want to be able to say, even as the vice chair, we appreciate what you're doing for immigration.
Thank you, San Jose. So, let me want to get ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, in front of you are elected officials.